Hey everyone, welcome to Aastha's Makeup Closet where we wake up and make up for 30 and up. Today I've done a look that is super easy, super quick, almost like a 5-minute Zoom meeting, Google Meet look. I've been having a lot of meetings, in the past few days and I have just been wanting to wear makeup that would be easy and super quick, and this is my go-to. So I would just wanted to repeat this look for you guys, and if you're into something like this, please do consider subscribing and do like the content and do keep on watching. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the tiny little tutorial that I had for you guys, and it's just, like, as you can see, it's just super easy to do. All you need are pencils and something just very, like a nice eye base, and that's about it. It's optional if you want to use foundation or not. You can just go with a concealer, or just an under eye corrector or something of the sort, and then just use a concealer, and that's about it. That's all you need to do. This is exceptionally good for Zoom meetings and Google Meet, for any computer related work, or if you need to be on the webcam or on your iPad. It's just super easy. So if you do like this look and you like my content and what I create for you guys, please do consider subscribing and do like, share, and ring the notification bell. That's me signing off. See you later.